My focus in this particular podcast is basically to share uh, some information about how I can probably help you in case you are trying to learn any Atlassian tool, especially Jira. And in case you think that you are probably a bit confused, you're not really sure which source of information is the right way to learn Jira or, in fact, any other Atlassian tool. So, let us talk about Jira in this particular podcast. And what I'm doing for the past few days, I'm actually building or writing a blog, and that blog will not really be just a one time blog. I will keep on updating that particular page or a blog. I'll share the link of that particular page, or you can call it as a blog. And my purpose of this particular piece of blog is basically to help you and to give you step by step instructions on how to start your Jira learning in case you are absolutely new to Jira, in case you have never worked on it, in case you have never really seen it before, or maybe you have no idea about Jira at all. I will be basically helping you with this series of steps that you can follow right from the very beginning, where my assumption is that you don't know anything about the tool, and I will be giving you a lot of pointers. I will be giving you different resources. Most of these resources could be my blog articles, or it could be a video, or it could be a podcast that I am sharing with you right now. But my purpose is basically to help you with clearing out your confusion, and also to make it very simple. Because when you are learning a new tool, I think you should focus on gaining a new skill. But if you're spending time just doing some research, which is fine, I mean, you should always explore. But in the beginning, I think you need some assistance, you need some guidance. And that is the whole point of that particular blog, where I will be giving you step by step instructions. You can basically treat it as a cheat sheet quick for quickly kickstarting your Jira learning, because I will try to break up different steps based on whether you are a beginner, whether you have some knowledge of Jira, or maybe you are already using Jira. So I will try to give these instructions based on whether uh, you know how to work on Jira as a user, or maybe you have been using Jira as a project manager, or maybe you want to learn Jira administration, or maybe you want to write scripts, maybe you want to do some extreme customizations in the tool, maybe you want to do some integration of Jira with other tools, and of course, various other things. And these days, working on Jira is not just about learning how to work on a tool. Jira and other Atlassian tools, they have actually become competencies. People actually make, or they basically have built their career around Atlassian tools. And even if you are learning Jira as a career prospect, maybe you want to work as a Jira administrator, maybe you want to work as a Jira consultant, or maybe you just want to use Jira to make your life or maybe your team's life a bit more productive, or maybe you want to deliver something more efficiently and you're looking for a tool that can really help you. So if you want to learn Jira, there are different outcomes, in my opinion. It could be for your job, it could be for solving a problem that you face at work, or maybe you want to just plan your work in a better way. So my idea of this cheat sheet, or a blog, or this particular page, I want to call it as the ultimate guide to learn Jira, where I will be covering wide range of experience level. You could be a beginner, or you could be, as I mentioned before, already using Jira, but it would be a page that you can bookmark. You can refer to it maybe regularly. And if you have been following my my social accounts, like maybe my blog, maybe my podcast, maybe my YouTube channel, or maybe you follow me on Twitter, then you can definitely uh, get notifications whenever I am making any change to this particular guide, this ultimate guide that I want to basically call it as an ultimate guide to learn Jira. And I also look forward to your feedback. You can always reach out to me in case you have more doubts, in case you want me to create some content or a video or a podcast on a specific topic, then definitely let me know. You are connected to me on these social networks, and if you maybe send me a message, maybe using my website contact form, that is in my opinion the best way to reach out to me, because I will receive an email and it will stay in my inbox. I can take some time to respond, but you can feel free to add a comment on my YouTube videos, or maybe send me a message on Twitter. I do check my accounts quite regularly, but and whenever I can, I will try to help you. Maybe I can create additional content. Maybe I can clarify your doubts. And I'm doing all these things because I also want to learn new things. And at the same time, I believe that if you're learning something new, it makes it a bit more interesting. No, it makes it a lot interesting if you also share it with everyone else. So do let me know if you like this page, or if you have any feedback about this ultimate guide to learn Jira. So I hope you enjoyed listening to this podcast. Thank you very much.